Now we're inside. We're going to take a peek at this 2020 Cimarron we've got here. It's a 14-foot short wall by Outlaw Conversions. The colors in this trailer look really nice. The video really doesn't do it justice. I got a lot of light coming in here and kind of bleaching out the colors and making them look a little different. But they did allow this two-tone in the cabinets, and some painted cabinets and some dark cabinets look real nice. Again, this is a 14-foot short wall by Outlaw Conversions. They went with the shaker style cabinets. Real nice clean look. Convection oven. Got your recessed cooktop. It's got a big closet up front there with your corner lounge. You got your couch in the slide. Again, the dark accents with the white painted cabinets, it makes everything really pop in this trailer. I like the rustic barn wood look on the ceiling. Really nice here. Trailer's got just over 107 hours. Got your hydraulic slide switch, awning switches. Everything's right here. Some hat racks. You got a sliding screen door. Got your TV up there. It's got an extra generator start stop switch up there. DVD player. Bunch of shelving in this pantry / linen closet. Got your floor to ceiling wardrobe closet. It's a double pole. It's got some lights in the closet for you. The wooden leather covered stool. Tile backsplash. Your power fan and your skylight. Again, this is Dave at SOM Trailer Sales, somtrailers.com. Again, if you don't mind, hit that like and subscribe button, and you'll get some notifications for all the new inventory we post here. Thanks again.